First grade, what's going on, guys? I'm here with your math lesson for today, page 279 and 280. There's a couple of things in here where you're going to need me to say the sentence and give you the story to go along with what you're going to answer. So it's an important lesson today that you guys listen to. We're coming up on the last week of school, guys. So we got to finish strong. We've been doing well. You guys have been doing good with your math and your lessons and your tests. Let's keep that same energy. Let's keep finishing strong, and let's dive in today. I'm not going to help you overall with doing these first few problems because you guys know, but we're going to get to the back on page 280, and I'll dive in there. All right, so number one on page 279, it says match the temperatures with the weather conditions. This is based on what you see in the picture. What do you think is looking like in the picture, and match up the correct temperatures to that time frame. All right, that's something that you guys should be able to do. I believe you'll be pretty good with that. Number two, it says match. You have to match the money to the actual words. So it says 3/4. Well, if you know how much a quarter is worth, if you have three of them, you have to add them all up and then find out what it goes to and then draw a line to that. Two $half. $half is what? $half is 50 cents. So if you have two of them, 50 cents plus 50 cents, what does that give you? And then you have 10 nickels. You're counting by 5, 10 times really quickly, and then 9 dimes. Count by 9 or count by 10, 9 times. All right. For number three, write the sums and differences. We should already know this, but sums mean you're adding, you're doing addition. Differences mean you're subtracting, you're doing minus. So that's what it's asking you to do. Guys, I want you to take your time. Some of this you might have to borrow, or not borrow. Some of this you might have to carry one. You have 3 digits right there, 32, 45, 21, all on a line. Then you have another one like that. Guys, what do? We add the ones place first. Always add the ones place first. Then you add the tens place, okay? Never start with the tens. Always add the ones first. Turn your page over. And I know you guys are saying, hey, Mr. Hunter, I'm not finished. It's okay. You can rewind the video and go back if you need to hear. But what I want to get to is what you guys are going to be doing where you need me for. Number one on the back, it says write backward from tens from 100 to 10. So we can count to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40. Wait a minute. I'm doing this by myself. You guys weren't doing it with me. Everybody repeat with me. Come on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we have to count backwards. We're starting at 100 and we go 100, 90. I'm not going to tell you the rest, but when you go backwards, you're counting by tens going down. And we've done that numerous amounts of times, so I'm sure you guys can continue to do it right now. Now, here's where we get to the really fun part. You guys got to listen, all right? Number two, it says, listen as your teacher reads the story problems. Mark the bubble under the fact that is not needed. So you're going to listen to me read the story problem, and then you're going to mark the bubble under the fact that is not needed. So that means you don't need this fact. All right. For letter A, 6 bees and 3 flies were buzzing around a lemon tree. 3 more bees came to join them. How many bees were there altogether? Mark the space under the fact that is not needed. 6 bees and 3 flies were buzzing around a lemon tree. 3 more bees came to join them. How many bees were we talking about altogether? So which one of those things were we not talking about? All right, letter B. The family was playing miniature golf. Mom made 4 holes in one. Dad made 6 holes in one. And Alex made 2 holes in one. How many more holes in one did Dad make than Alex? I'm going to read that one more time. The family was playing miniature golf. That sounds like a lot of fun. Mom made 4 holes in one. Dad made 6 holes in one. And Alex made 2 holes in one. How many more holes in one did Dad make than Alex? Mark the space under the fact that is not needed. All right. Are we all ready? You guys did good on that? Okay. So here we go. Set the minute hands to the times your teacher says. So you see the hour is already on the time. You're going to write the minute hand and I'm going to tell you a time. Okay, so I'm going to say a time and you just put the minute hand where it needs to go. For letter A, 4:30. 4:30. Where does the big hand need to go? Where does the minute hand need to go? 4:30. Letter B, 5:15. 5:15. Put the minute hand where it needs to go. 5:15. Letter C, 6:05. 6:05. 6:05. And then letter D, 10:50. 10:50. 10:50. All you're doing is putting the minute hand, the big hand, where it needs to go. And then for number 4, it says mark the bubble under the fact that does not belong. Mark the bubble under the fact that does not belong. All right? Mark the bubble under the fact that does not belong. All right, guys. You see there, you look pretty closely. Just pay attention very closely. All right? That's all I'm going to tell you. You guys did good today. I'll see you tomorrow.